neutral. Okay, you got the button. There she goes. And there she goes. Keep going, Robert. Keep going. And she snugs right down. That's it. Go ahead, put it back down. Going back up. Technology here. Fits right in there. Boom, boom. Here comes the lid. This is an actual F-code retractable, one of 15 produced. So it's got the factory supercharger. Only 15 retractables were produced in 1957 with the F-code engine. Pop the hood. Got a metallic DR57 supercharger. Got a nice rumble to it. They made 212 Thunderbirds with the F-code supercharger, and they made only 15 retractables. This car is documented with its original build sheet from Ford. 1957 F-code retractable Fairlane at Tucson Classic Motor Company.